This is the pediatric resident. We would like to consult dermatology for kiddo with the rash.
Sure, when did the rash start?
I don't know.
Is it a burn?
No.
Is it infected?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I cannot tell.
Did you swab it for infection cultures?
Can you come do the swabs?
Is this the doctor or the nurse assistant calling the consult?
I am the resident doctor.
So why did you not culture it?
We would like you to do it.
It is not difficult to do. In fact, the nurse assistant can do it for you.
Okay, but if it is not infected, can you come look at it?
What does the rash look like now?
It looks like eczema.
Do they have a history of eczema?
Yes.
Have they been treating the eczema?
No.
So why are you consulting us? At least you can restart the treatment.
We could. We also could do the swab. But before we do any of that, we thought you would like to see the rash.
Do you think it is an emergency?
Probably not.
He patient at risk of a permanent disfiguring scar.
No.
Then why are you consulting us?
We thought you would want to see the rash.
You thought we would want to see a chronic benign skin problem as part of the inpatient hospital emergency service?
Yes.
Why don't we see it in clinic instead? It is not an emergency.
Well, the patient has Medicaid, so it will not cost the money for you to come see them now.
But this is not an urgent hospital condition. We do have other patients to see.
But this kiddo is so cute.
Is the patient in the hospital because of the rash?
No.
Is the discharge pending on the rash?
No.
Do you understand the concepts and purpose of a hospital consult?
I told you I am the resident doctor.
And you don't know if it is infected, and you haven't restarted treatment, and you know they have a history of eczema.
Will you see the consult?
What the fuck? Are you hearing this conversation, or is this just in my mind?
This kiddo is so cute, you should see them, before you say no to the consult.
We should see the consult, because the kid is cute?
Yes.
Please do not page us anymore, and learn to do basic skincare.